Welcome to my car and train channel. I have a lot of Volkswagen Minibus on my car and train channel. This one belongs to a candy company, the Doscher, one of the oldest businesses in Cincinnati and one of the only 3 candy companies still remaining in the United States that make local candies. They use it, of course, as a promotional vehicle. And you can see in the back their display of candies. Thanks for watching this video. As mentioned in the introduction, I have a lot of Volkswagen minibus or minivan in my car and train channel.